Hello everybody, how are you today? Today I feel happy. I went to the park and I saw a beautiful bird singing in a tree. I love birds. They have a head, 2 eyes, a beak, 2 legs, a body, feathers, 2 wings, and a tail. Do you know where birds live? In flowers, trees, cars? That's right, birds live in trees. They make their nest in the trees and then they lay their eggs in the nest. And do you know what birds eat? They eat worms, insects, fruit, seeds or fish. Almost all birds fly, like sparrows. But some birds can't fly, like hens, but they're still birds. All birds have beaks, feathers, 2 wings and 2 legs. Now we've learned a bit about birds, we can try to describe one. Do you like parrots? Look, I have one here. Let's describe this parrot. This parrot is blue. It has 2 wings, blue feathers, a grey beak and a blue tail. We can also say some interesting facts about parrots. For example, they like hot temperatures and they fly among the treetops. Do you like to describe animals? Remember, we can talk about the size, the colour, body parts, or some interesting facts. How are baby birds born? From shells, from eggs, or from the belly? That's right, baby birds are born from eggs. What do birds have? Wings, scales, or hair? Yes, of course, birds have wings, even if some of them can't fly. Do you recognize this sound? Listen. Is it a sparrow, a duck, or a seagull? Yes, you're right. It's a seagull. We can see them when we go to the beach. Let's remember what we've learned. Birds have beaks, wings, feathers, and a tail. My favourite bird is the dove. What's your favourite bird? I hope you enjoyed learning about birds and describing them. Next time you go outside, look at all the birds around you. See you next time. Bye.